Okay, so session 1, big idea. We're learning about place value, and basically every single number is either getting larger by a multiple of 10 or getting smaller by a multiple of 10. The first thing that students need to understand right here is that when everything is shaded, that's equal to 1. And when one entire column is shaded, that's a tenth. And then squares are 1/100th. So we definitely want to push and make sure they're saying the numbers correctly, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and also understanding that those can be written as fractions, which we'll get into on the next page. So for this chart, as you go up the chart, numbers are getting bigger by multiples of 10. So 100 times 10 would be 1,000. And as you go down the chart, they're getting smaller by multiples of 10. So 100th divided by 10 would be 1,000th. This is a really big idea for students to understand, that the more decimal places after the decimal point, numbers are getting smaller. So this is smaller than this. That's just because it's more digits. That might be a misconception that they have. They might think the opposite. So just to make sure we stamp it, the position of the 1, it's getting bigger by a power of 10 each time. So it keeps moving to the left. Okay? So as it's getting bigger, that 1 keeps moving to the left because it's going up in place value. And as it gets smaller, it's moving to the right. So the numbers keep getting smaller as that 1 moves to the right. And then number 8, this is a big idea also, understanding that dividing by 10 and finding 1/10 are the same thing. So to complete this, and this is why it's really important to say numbers correctly, because 1,000th is 1/10 of 100. So we would write it 1/10 of, and then 100th is 10 times 1,000th. 10 times. It's bigger, remember? Fewer digits, but it's a bigger number because it's getting closer to 1, right? Because this is 100th and this is 1,000th. So this number is further away from 1. The exit ticket today should be this reflection question right here. And so where is the 5 going to be worth more, in 500ths or 5,000ths? They should be able to explain that 500ths is bigger. It's bigger by a multiple of 10. It's getting closer to being 1 whole. So those are all things that they should be able to explain at the end of this lesson.